Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're stepping into something that completely redefines what luxury on wheels really means. Imagine the bold, commanding presence of a Kenworth, but instead of a working rig, it's transformed into a rolling 5-star suite. This is the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Luxury Motorhome. And if you think motorhomes can't be powerful, elegant, and ultra-comfortable at the same time, this one is about to change your mind. Asterisk from the very first glance, the T2000 Luxury Motorhome makes a statement. That long, aerodynamic nose, the wide stance, and the premium paint finish instantly separate it from traditional RVs. This isn't something that blends into a campground. It dominates it. Kenworth's design DNA is still here, but refined, smoother, and clearly aimed at high-end travelers who want presence as much as performance. Asterisk, step inside, and the industrial toughness disappears, replaced by pure luxury. The interior feels more like a modern penthouse than a vehicle. High-quality leather seating, real wood accents, soft ambient lighting, and a layout designed for space and flow make the cabin feel open and relaxing. Everything you touch feels premium. From the stitched dashboard to the metal controls and smart displays, asterisk, the living area is built for comfort on long journeys. Plush sofas, a large dining space, and a massive smart TV create a perfect environment for relaxing after hours on the road. Large panoramic windows flood the interior with natural light during the day, while advanced privacy shades and sound insulation keep things quiet and cozy at night. Whether you're parked at a scenic overlook or cruising down the highway, this space feels calm and controlled. Asterisk, the kitchen is fully equipped and surprisingly spacious. You get high-end appliances, a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection microwave, and plenty of storage. This is a kitchen designed for people who actually want to cook, not just heat up snacks. Everything is laid out intelligently, so nothing feels cramped even when you're moving. Asterisk, move toward the sleeping area, and the luxury continues. The master bedroom features a large, hotel-style bed, premium linens, built-in storage, and soft lighting that makes it easy to unwind. The bathroom is equally impressive, with a spacious shower, modern fixtures, and finishes you'd expect in a high-end apartment, not a motorhome. Asterisk, under the hood. The 2026 T2000 Luxury Motorhome stays true to its Kenworth roots. A powerful, refined diesel engine delivers smooth, confident performance, even with the added weight of luxury features. Advanced suspension and stability systems make highway driving surprisingly comfortable, reducing fatigue on long trips. This motorhome isn't just about comfort when parked. It's built to feel solid and confident while moving. Asterisk, technology plays a big role here too. A fully digital cockpit, advanced navigation, 360-degree camera systems, and smart climate control make driving and living in this motorhome effortless. Everything is designed to work together, giving you control without complexity. Asterisk, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Luxury Motorhome isn't for everyone, and that's the point. It's built for those who want the freedom of the open road without giving up luxury, power, or prestige. This is more than a motorhome. It's a lifestyle statement. Asterisk, if you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most impressive luxury of 2026, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below telling me would you travel the world in something like this.